Oh dear, what have we brought here? What's up guys, welcome back to the vlogs. We've just picked up another car, which I haven't informed you guys why we have done that. So the main reason why I picked up another car is the current body that I have for the Sylvia actually has some damage that we didn't know and I don't really want to deal with. I don't know if the chassis is bent or not. I'd assume it probably is, but it might not be. But what do we think? I need a piss. You do need a piss. Alright, so this is it. It's been a flame. But yep. So this is it. And as I was saying, selling the old one, buying this one, we'll fix this one up. Runs and drives. It's got rego, way easier to deal with. Yeah, she is. Typical Sylvia things, eh? Stopping at the gas here to put a light in. So yeah, standard DE, manual, factory. Looking at what do we got? 180,000 Ks on the clock. Smells nice. Doesn't look like shit. But look at this. Clean interior. Super clean. It's had a bunch of rust repairs on it, hence why it's a bit more smashed. It's all rust repairs and stuff, so it's all good. 5-star. Woohoo!
Did you switch the lights off?
No.
Okay, it's one blue.
That one just blew?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, that's right, yeah, fuck. I think that one was a bit funky, wasn't it? I think. Mismatched piece of shit, but that's alright. It's a QS, bro. Oh, look at that. Bro. I love how it's got the badges out of it. Bet you those will be stolen. So here we are a few days later in the light this time, so you can see the interior a bit better. It's pretty tidy. Very, very tidy. Don't mind my water bottle already in the car. Pretty stoked with it. Very tidy. So, factory manual. Fairly low Ks, 189,000 Ks on the clock. I don't actually know how to drive it that well, which is great. So, first things first will be to get it on the road, which means I need to fix a couple of things. So, we have this funky ass freaking horn. It doesn't work at all. Whatever. The speedo doesn't work either, so you don't know how fast you're going. And the brake lights stay on, which I believe is something under the pedal there. So yeah, got to fix those couple of things first. There is some rust in the engine bay as well, but I'll do that once I do the motor. And then yeah, so pretty stoked with it. Hopefully we'll be able to take it out to some meet soon-ish, get it on the road just for that. And then in a couple of months time we'll take this into the garage, pull out all the shit that we don't want, which will be the engine and the suspension, swap that all over. Also might swap to a facelift, I don't know, I might keep a pre-facelift, but the guards are pretty shit, so I sort of want to go for a wide body as well. In which case then I think I really do want to go facelift, because I just think the facelift looks so much better. But yeah, old project's going to go, this is going to be the new project. Hopefully we can make a lot more content with it, given that it runs and drives at the moment, and we can actually fix things up and give content with that, and go to some meets in it. And maybe we'll give it a quick paint job or something, just to slum or tidy it up, pour a wrap or something, just so it's a bit more presentable. And maybe a set of wheels, probably not, if we're going to go wide, I don't know. Anyway, that's you guys up to speed on what the hell is going on, so I'll see you in the next one.